In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Strava app not working. So if Strava application is not working on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be the unstable internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, the application should start working. But if the application still does not work, what you can do is simply try updating it. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now after you do that, search for Strava. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Strava and tap on it. Now in this interface, if you find the option for update, tap on it. Wait for a while and the application will be updated. Now all the bugs of the app will be fixed and the application should start working. But if the app still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, what you have to do is simply launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Strava and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now in the app info interface, find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now the cache of the app will be cleared and your application should start working. But if the app still does not work, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, the app will surely work. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. So in that case, what you have to do is simply restart your device. Long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. Now all the temporary software glitches will be fixed and the application will start working. So these are basically the ways to fix your problem. So that is how you fix Strava app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.